So guys, here is Talent Hunter. I'm going to show you how to sign up, how to log in, and how quickly it's going to take. So you'll see straight away, we have our home button, which is right here. I pre-made um, a candidate profile, but for anybody who needs, you just get started here. If you want to have a quick browse around, you'll see the jobs. You can see browse companies, and you can do a free CV analysis. So you'll see there's a help center here for anything you might need, tips, tricks, that kind of stuff. And you also have training. You'll see our blogs here, which has everything up to date. 2026 Ireland Salary Guide, the Smart Tech is the Future. We've got some blogs there. How to redefine recruitment within your CVs, the skills, the candidate experience, return on investment, also our diversity, equity, and inclusion policy. So if you go through the main landing page here, you'll be able to browse all of the jobs with this click of a button. You'll be able to access training sources. As you go through it again, you'll see all of our current companies that work with us. Again, we have our blogs, which are really, really good and interesting to get through, and a little list of what we have here. So you'll see places like Teamworks, Recruitment, Walmart Construction, M&P Construction, W Plunkett, Reno Counselling and Psychotherapy, Brightside IT, Alan Gein, Knightsbrook Secure Facility Services, Treadstone Security, and Authenticate Canada, Mooney's Bar and Restaurant. And again, you can just flick through that as you want. Right away here, how it works. We have all of this stuff right here for you to play with. Now we'll go into the profile. You'll see here it's an easy dashboard. There's not a whole lot to it, bar your applications, your saved jobs, your interview schedule, and you can upload your resume or CV. You can all adjust your settings and your profile by what it has there. Here's how it's going to discover your CV scores. When you put your CV in, this will automatically take the results. It'll give you a skill analysis, what happens, what you should do, actionable recommendations to improve it, and your match score to make sure your CV aligns with job requirements. You'll have a very easy, sleek dashboard here again. Application sent, profile views, your saved jobs, and your profile completion. As you'll see, I've only completed 24%, but you'll get through it here yourself. You just complete your profile here, your latest applications. Again, if you want to see them in detail, you can go through and filter your applications by where you've done it, the interviews, and your success rate to date. Your resume and CV, this should be the first thing that you put up. This will tell us more about you. It'll tell the system what it needs to know. And again, this is not a jobs board where you apply and it gets lost. Effectively, the system will match you with the job that you need to be at. If you apply for other jobs, you may have the skill set for them. I mean, we have done the test periods for this, and that's not to say that someone in hospitality can't go work in another customer service role 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. So that's where that's all available. What I will suggest in this is if you have any questions or you feel like there's more that you want to know, just tag underneath, give us your name, DM us, email us on info@talenthunter.me or message us or comment below. This is also free, completely free for candidates. Everything in here you see is free, and it's Ireland's alternative to Indeed, and you're not going to get lost in the wake up of it all. Have a good hunt, and I love talking and hear your comments.